Hi everybody. This week we're talking about what? Does anybody remember? Yes, spring and gardening. And what's something that we see a lot during spring is rain. So I have a science experiment for us today that you can try it at home. I have a glass jar filled with water. About to write that line. So you find you a glass jar. You get you some cheap shaving cream. The stuff when you squirt it out, it's white. And blue food coloring. This is gel, but we're going to see if it still works. So I have my water in my jar. And if I forgot to tell y'all, we're going to do a rain cloud. And I'm going to fill the top of my jar with shaving cream. Okay, you see that? Next, I'm going to get my food coloring. And I'm going to squirt it in the holes. As this is gel, I'm going to stick it down there a little bit further. Do you see it? I hope you can see it raining. Let me see if it... I don't know if it's... Let's see if I may bring it down more. There we go. There's a little piece. I don't know if you can see it very good on camera. But the shaving cream is our cloud. And the blue food coloring, that is rain. Where does rain come from? It comes from the clouds. When water droplets go up to the sky, it forms a cloud. And there's more water droplets. They just keep adding up and adding up that it gets so heavy in those clouds that it falls down. And it's rain. I hope you tried this at home. If you did try it at home, give me a message and let me know how it worked out. See you soon.